Chapter 3. Identify the right keywords. So now that you have uploaded your picture to the platform of your choice, you need to select the most appropriate keywords so that your picture can be easily found. You can enter your keywords manually within the limit that the platform authorizes, usually around 50 keywords maximum. Be as accurate as possible and do not use keywords that have nothing to do with the image itself. Another way to add keywords is automatic. Most of the platforms now automatically suggest some keywords whenever you upload your picture. However, you must double check if these keywords are all accurate or not, as chances are that a few of them will be out of context. Example: here, when I've uploaded the picture I took of a boat on a lake in California, the platform suggested some great keywords, but also some bad ones. Note that accurate keywords are key for your ranking. So you need to be very careful and replace any unmatching keywords so that you only keep the most accurate ones. Now that you have the right keywords, some of the platforms ask you to reorder them by relevance, which can have a greater impact on the discoverability of your image. In our example, you would therefore reorganize them something like this, by order of importance.